What up? Jeff here with all my Bitcoin renegades, and today we're talking about crypto dream level buy-in prices. Yes, crypto dream level buy-in prices. That's what I'm saying. Well, right now, they are somewhat dream level. Now, look at the graph. It went down to 61 cents yesterday. Now, the chances of you hitting the 61 cent actual dip is pretty small, but if you did, congratulations, you bought Graph at a price that you probably will never see below that in this bull market again. Until the end of the bull market, then it will go below that, but for now, that's probably the lowest price you're going to see in a long time. Now, I didn't have any money to buy when this dip happened, so it really did me dirty. I put all my money in it, and then it dumped several thousand. I just lost thousands of dollars. I know a lot of people with more money lost more, but that's okay though, because we have to re-strategize, and I have to just keep putting videos out for you guys, because I know you possibly have some money to put in the market right now. That's what I'm telling everybody I see. You need to put money in the market right now if you want to make money. Not financial advice, but common sense, right? When the market dumps like this, it has nowhere to go but up. So if you were if you were on the edge of getting into crypto or not, or if you were on the edge of making a purchase or not the other day, now you have to pull the trigger. Not financial advice. I have to say that again because I basically told you to pull the trigger, but I can't tell you that. But I'm saying if you're in that mindset already, let this be the catalyst that gets you there, right? You know, right to that peak. And that's where you want to be. Now, dream level buy-in prices are not something that I use lightly. If you look in any of my videos going back 6 months since I've been making them, only maybe once or twice have I ever said a crypto is at dream level buy-in prices. And every time I have said that, they are. And they end up making us a lot of money. Remember the last time I said dream level buy-in prices on the graph at 63 cents the last time it happened? If you're a follower of my videos, you do. Right over here. We were in this area, the 63 to 70 cent area right here. And that's when I was buying in the first time. Boom, and we went all the way up. And then now it's happening again. And you have the opportunity to make thousands of dollars. Remember, I made a $2,200 profit off of this one back then. Okay? You have the chance to make the same profit. You're almost buying at the same prices that I did. Yeah, I got in at like 66 cents the first time, but look, you're at 73. That is such a good price, and look at what it was just at. Okay, it was only at 74, but still, it's a nice little dip inside of, this massive correction reversal. So I think that's what's going to happen. We're going to end up going up. These are all bear flags now. We have a giant bear flag right here. As you see, the big pole going down, or actually it's going up from the down, because it's a bear flag. It's an upside down pennant. And so that's what this is right here, a bear flag, and that's not good. That means that it could go down, but I think they're trying to trick us. They're trying to trick you into not buying right now at dream level prices because they're trying to make you think it's going to keep going down. It's not going to. I'm telling you. You don't have to take my word for it. Just wait and watch. But it's not going down more. We hit our bottom. We're good to go for the rest of the bull market now. That's what we needed, is a massive correction. Now, I just wish I would have saved my money for the correction. That's what sucks about being poor, is when the big corrections happen, if you put your money in, you're done. You don't have a bank account with $100,000 you can just go grab and be like, okay, I'm buying the dip. All my assets are here. That's it. And I'm probably not going to sell those for a long time, because as soon as I sell them, I have to report them, right? So that's the thing. I have to wait to sell them. Look at Ethereum all the way back at 4,100 already. I can't believe how well it's recovered. Look at this recovery that Ethereum has had. Now, these were dream level prices at $3,500, but look where we are, 41. Remember we were at like 40 when Bitcoin was still at like 54,000, 55,000? We're higher than that. And Bitcoin's only at 49. Wow, what a recovery. Good job, Ethereum. Wow, dream level buy-in prices? No. Good buy-in prices right now still? Okay. But if you would have got here anytime yesterday, anything under $4,000, beautiful prices. 3,500, dream level price for a bull market. Okay, now let's go on. Let's see Algorand. Algorand. It actually had a good recovery because it just had $500 million, not just to buy Algorand, but to put into the network, to invest in the projects on Algorand and the future of Algorand, right? Can't wait to talk about ICP. Okay, so this at $1.41, dream level buy-in prices. Oh my goodness. I would buy at $1.41 in this bull market all day, every day. If I had $1 million, I would have put it all in Algorand at $1.41. No joke. If I had $1 million yesterday, I would have put it all in Algorand at $1.41. If I had $1 million right now, I would put about 200K in. No joke, at 165. Because it's going back to 2 or more. This bull market. Okay? Now let's move on. Internet computer price. Love it. My new favorite crypto. Because I'm earning so much money staking. Like every day I look there and my maturity is just blasting off. Every day you just gain maturity, even when you don't vote. So when you vote, you get extra maturity, and every day you get maturity. Ooh, but look at this, $25. I mean, dude, you could become a billionaire off of ICP if you buy at $25. Imagine if you put $1 million at $25. Those are dream level buy-in prices. Actually, right now, ICP is still at dream level buy-in prices. People say you can't make money trading ICP? Oh yeah? Well, if it goes from 25 back up to $45 where it should be, that's almost double the price. You almost double your money. So if you put 500,000 in here, you'll make $1 million. There's money to be made in ICP. And for the long term, oh my goodness, this is probably one of the projects that's going to be around the longest. Why? Because it has one of the biggest teams behind it. The development team, the partners that they have, the Definity Foundation. Awesome. Great. I love it. So, yeah, these are dream level buy-in prices. And if I had money, if I had $1 million, I would have put like all of it in at 25. All of it. Actually, I probably would have borrowed another $1 million to put in too, with interest. No, I never would borrow money for crypto, but I mean, that's how much I believe in it though. Like I believe that, yeah, it is a bear flag right now. This one doesn't really look as much like a bear flag. It actually looks like an ascending triangle. Yeah, that's it definitely looks like an ascending triangle. So that's actually a bullish sign. So we have a bullish sign on here. You could say that it's a pennant, but more of a rising wedge or even an ascending triangle. So pretty cool. I like it. That's a continuation pattern for upwards. So since we are going up, but if you look at this, we're still, in a downtrend. So if you counted that, it would be different. You would have to go from here to there. So, but if we get past this, in the next day or so, this could actually turn to a nice ascending triangle and be bullish. So what is happening though? What created this? Why did we have this massive dump? Is there any reason behind it? Crypto crash deepens as Bitcoin, Ethereum post double-digit losses. Okay, it's not telling us. Bitcoin price fell to almost 2-month low. What should traders expect next? So they're asking questions. They don't know either. I know the stock market was struggling, and that is probably one of the reasons, but to take Bitcoin down to less than $1 trillion market cap, that's a lot of big money. That's big money that came out. Why? They want to put big money back in. The amount is up over 50%. That means a lot of people are selling their Bitcoin at low prices, which I don't understand why you would do that. Why in a bull market? Like, what are you guys doing? Are you that scared? Like, I get scared, but I've never been scared enough to actually sell my crypto at a loss. The only time I ever did that was in our last bear market inside the bull market. So I'm not going to say I've never done it, but if we're in a bear market, then yeah, I'm going to mitigate all of my altcoins. I'm getting out of altcoins in a bear market every time, putting it all in Bitcoin. If you notice, when I came into this part of the bull market, all I had was Bitcoin. I took all of my altcoins, even at a loss. I lost a couple $100 off of Ampleforth. I lost a couple $100 on AMP. and I lost a couple $100 on something else. And then that's the only time I ever lost. But I would have lost a lot more. And I put it into Bitcoin and I actually gained all that money back. So these are dream level buy-in prices for Bitcoin, for Ethereum, no. For Algorand, yes. For thegraph, yes. For internet computer price, yes. For AMP, no. For Chiliz, yes. For NewCipher, no. For Decentraland, no. For Engine, not dream level but beautiful. Dash, dream level buy-in prices. Stellar Lumens, dream level buy-in prices for Stellar Lumens. OXT, no, that's actually a normal price. VeChain, beautiful price, not dream. Neo, that could be beautiful, not dream. Tron, not even beautiful. Qtum, possibly beautiful. BAT, possibly beautiful. IOTA, no. Zcash, no. Digibyte, beautiful, almost dream level. Lisk, beautiful, almost dream level. Ethereum Classic, no. Horizon, no. Kyber Network, beautiful. CeeLo, beautiful. Maker, no. Waves, possibly beautiful, not dream. Bitcoin Cash, no. Band, dream. Filecoin, dream. Cosmos, beautiful. District Docs, beautiful. Tezos, no. Litecoin, beautiful. Dogecoin, almost dream level prices in this bull market, but maybe not. So I would say beautiful. UMA, beautiful. Synthetics, no. Uniswap, no. Clover, dream level buy-in prices. Polygon, no. Ren, beautiful. Elrond, no. EOS, no. Aave, no. Nano, no. Numere, no. Ampleforth, dream level. Scale, dream level. Request is the only one that is actually up today, so definitely not. Fetch.ai is beautiful, almost looking at dream level prices there. Anchor, beautiful, not dream. 8 cents would be dream. Barn Bridge, I don't know. Sorry, that's the only one I don't really know. Balancer, okay, there's 2 I don't know. Rally, dream. Cartesi, beautiful. New Kind of Network, beautiful. Bounce Token, I don't know. And Enzyme, I don't know. So there's very few. There's only like 4 I don't know. But the rest are either beautiful, not, or dream level. So if you want, go back and look at this video from each one that I said. And I'm telling you, I'm giving you my honest opinions here on what I think each crypto in my watch list, how each one is doing. Now, if you want me to do this with other cryptos, leave me a list in the comments below of the cryptos you want me to tell you if they're either at a beautiful, dream, or no. Okay? And I can tell you with almost every crypto, and if I don't know about it, I will go do research and then I will tell you what my opinion is. Just know that if you do that, it's not financial advice. This is just my opinion and my educated guessing on what level pricing that they are. Now, I do want to go in and show you my amazing freaking gains, and I'm so happy about this. While I'm losing tons and tons and tons and tons of money, I get into this network nervous system, and please don't make me log in again. Oh, darn it. All right, I'll be right back. Or wait, I don't... Okay, well, we can go back right now. So now we're in. This is the network nervous system. Basically, you have to set up your internet identity and everything to get in here. And then here's your main account. This is where you're going to want to, deposit all of your ICP in order to stake. This is going to be your Neuron. And so I put in 24.5 ICP tokens, which was over $1,000, $1,100 at the time. Now look at my Neuron. My Neuron has actually grown a lot. It has only 184 days left until I can get it out. But look at this. My maturity has gone up so much. Look at that. It's now 0.235. Remember when I first started, it was like 0.0078. or something like that, like little tiny amounts. And every day that amount goes up. And this maturity rate right here, why is that important? Well, I told you before in a live stream, what this does is it actually converts into ICP tokens if I want to merge my maturity. I could put all of this in there and then it would actually give me more ICP tokens. But what I want to do is I want to let this get up to a high enough number to spawn a new neuron right here. You see that spawn neuron? And that will actually mint new ICP tokens. So you'll get a fixed number of ICP tokens into your main account over here. Now, if you do the merge maturity, it doesn't put it in your main account. No, don't do that. It doesn't put it in your main account. It puts it in your staked ICP, this amount, and you can't get it out for the next 184 days or whatever lock-in period that you set. So I might set this for 4 years after this one, or like 3.5 probably till the next bull cycle. And we'll see though. We'll see what ICP. If it's like at $1,000 in 6 months, I'm probably going to take my profit. Or maybe I'll just be in for the long haul at that time. I don't know, man. I'll have to do a lot of thinking at that time, because if it's worth that much and I'm, that much in the profit at that time, I might as well be a long-term holder, right? So we'll see what happens. I really love this project and I can't wait to report about it. I am going to be doing weekly news videos about this, recaps and weekly news and, stuff like that. And just letting you know the progress of the voting of my account here, how much I've made staking and how much I think that you could possibly make staking as well. So there's a lot of dream level prices right now. If you want to get into staking ICP, now is the time to do it, because all the prices are down. You can buy for super cheap and get in there. And then when you lock it up, you're almost guaranteed a profit in the next 6 months, because you have to put it at least 6 months to be able to vote. So my prices are going up a little bit now. See, if we wait too long, they will continue to go up. This is a bottom here for a reason. We're in a bull market still. So just know that these bottoms always have a V-shaped recovery at the end. Or at least a recovery. It's not always V-shaped, but we do always see a recovery after this. Bitcoin is the catalyst though. If it's going to continue to go all the way down to 42,000, the rest of crypto is going to do that as well. And we definitely have a bear flag on here. Or it almost looks like an ascending wedge, but it's not. It's not, because up here. So, and it isn't even straight over here. So it would be more like a rising wedge. So, and I know we broke out of that channel that we were in. That's why we went down so far. That channel was huge. And an upward channel is definitely bearish. An upward channel normally always breaks to the downside. 7 out of 10 times it breaks to the downside. So now we have dream level buy-in prices for crypto. So, all right, guys, that being said, you know what time it is. Goodbye and good Bitcoin.